Imagine if every time you got an email, an AI read it, summarized it, draft the perfect reply, and waited for your approval before hitting send, all while you were sipping a coffee. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build your own AI email assistant using n8n Gmail and OpenAI with zero code and in just few minutes. Let me quickly show you how it works. An email lands in your inbox. The assistant auto-summarizes the email and crafts a reply. You get an email notification with a summary and draft. You reply with send it and boom, it sends. Let's now break down how this magic happens in n8n. This is our starting point, the Gmail trigger node. We are using this trigger to watch for new incoming emails. Here you can set the filters like watch only unread emails or check a specific label like AI inbox if you have. Once an email arrives, it passes the subject, sender, and body to the next step. Next, we connect the email content to an AI agent node. This node uses OpenAI to summarize the email into 2 to 3 bullet points and then generate a full polite reply. Output will be in a structured JSON format using a structured output parser. This is the system prompt we are using. You are an AI email assistant, summarize and reply this email in the following JSON format. This keeps the data clean and ready for downstream use. Then the assistant's reply is now passed into the Gmail node where we use the create draft action. The draft is addressed to the original sender and has a subject like reply, and then we map the JSON subject. And it includes the AI generated reply from the previous AI agent node. Now it is safely sitting in your Gmail drafts folder. We add a wait node here just to pause before sending the approval message. You can skip or adjust it depending on how fast you want the flow to move. Now, here we notify you. We use a Gmail node to send you an email like this: a review and approve. That's a subject. And in the body, we give an email summary, draft reply, and instruction like reply with send it to approve. This email goes to your personal address, not the original sender. Then we have an if node, which checks if you reply and it then checks your message. If you replied with something like send it to, we continue. Otherwise, we assume you wanted to skip the reply or maybe edit it. Here in the if node, it will check if it's approved yes or not. If it's yes, it will go forward, fetch the draft email using the get draft Gmail node. We need this so we can retrieve the original thread ID and a message content. Now finally, when we got the draft, we use the send message Gmail node to send the drafted reply. Here we include the thread ID to keep the email in the same conversation thread. Or else, if the response was not an approval, we go into the false path. Here you can notify yourself again, send the draft to someone else, or do nothing. It's totally up to you. Here's how this AI email assistant can help you in the real world. It quickly processes and replies of dozens of emails per day. Keep inbox zero without losing the personal touch. It triage client emails, escalate only when needed. Also, you can expand this flow by adding sentiment analysis, route angry emails to Slack, or log summaries into the Google Sheets. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. Your AI powered Gmail assistant in few minutes using n8n. If you want this exact workflow, check the link in the description and download the JSON file from my Facebook community. Like and subscribe for more AI plus automation content, and tell me in the comment what workflow should we automate next.